Hello friends, welcome back to the class 7th Geography chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. As we know, Earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Earth is not a static planet, it is a dynamic planet which is changing, constantly undergoing changes inside and outside of the Earth. The deepest mine is in South Africa, which we have seen 4 kilometers deep. Interior of Earth. The radius is the chord which is taken from the center of the circle. The radius of the Earth is 6371 kilometer. Interior of Earth is divided into three layers: core, mantle, and crust. Crust is the uppermost layer of the Earth. It is about 1% of Earth's masses. Crust has two parts. The one is continental crust, which has depth of 35 km, and it is made up of two minerals, silica and alumina. In short, we can known as Sial. The second one is oceanic part, which has 5 km in depth, and it is made up of two minerals, silica and magnesium, which is known as Sima. Mantle, it is just beneath of crust. It extends up to depth of 2900 km. It is about 84% of Earth's masses. The third one and the innermost layer is core. It is extended about the radius 3500 km. It is made up of two minerals, nickel and ferrous, which is known as knife. Rocks and minerals. What are rocks? Rocks are any natural mass of minerals that makes up the earth to the crust is called rocks. Rocks can be of different color, shape, size and texture. We have three types of rocks: igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. What are igneous rocks? Igneous rocks are the molten magma which cools and becomes solid is known as igneous rocks. It is of two types and it is also known as primary rocks. The types are intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. Intrusive rocks are the rocks when molten magma cool deep inside the earth is called intrusive rocks. Since they cools down slowly, they form large grains. For example, granite rocks. Extrusive rocks are the rocks when molten magma comes out to the surface and cooled off. Basaltic rocks are the extrusive rocks, and Deccan plateaus, which are made up of basaltic rocks. Sedimentary rocks, when igneous rocks are broken down and rolling down and cracks hit each other, etc., into smaller fragments, and the small particle is known as sediments. When these small particles compressed and harden to form layers, these type of rocks are called sedimentation rocks. These rocks contain fossils of plants and animals as well as the main source of petroleum, coal and natural gases. Example of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, which is made up of sand grains. Metamorphic rocks, under the great heat and pressure, igneous and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks. For example, clay changed into slate and limestone will change into marble. What are the uses of rocks? Hard rocks are used for making roads, houses, many infrastructures. Red Fort is made up of red sandstone, which is sedimentary rocks. Taj Mahal is made up of white marble, which is metamorphic rocks. Rocks are the sources of minerals and for industries use. Metamorphic rocks are source of fossil fuels. What is rock cycle? One type of rock can be changed into other types. Certain circumconditions in cyclic matter is called rock cycle. You can see in the picture, magma is the main part from which we get igneous rocks, and igneous rocks change into metamorphic rocks by breaking and pressure. Then metamorphic rocks again with great pressure changed into metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks also changed into metamorphic rocks due to pressure. You can answer the exercise also. What are the three layers of earth? Crust, mantle and core. What is rocks? Any natural mass of minerals that matters that makes up the earth is called rocks, and it is of different color, size and textures. Three types of rocks: igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. How are extrusive and intrusive rocks forms? Intrusive means inside the earth, and extrusive means exit outside the earth. What do you mean by rock cycle? This is our rock cycle. What are the uses of rocks? For making roads, houses and many infrastructures, for making monuments or buildings, and for minerals for the use of industries and for the use fossil fuels. What are metamorphic rocks? Under the great heat and pressure, igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks. For example, clay into slate and limestone into marble. So we have completed our second chapter of class 7 geography. Thank you, class.